Good morning, this is Watson, and this is your Medical Week in Review. Let's kick it off with highlights of Dr. Vikram's malignant melanoma. When dealing with melanoma, you want to remember your ABCs. A stands for asymmetry, B for borders, C for color, D for diameter, and E for evolution. I'll put a link to the video below. Also, stick around because we'll cover this cyst in a moment. We also have an update on Amy's cystic acne. We recently did a documentary about Amy. She's been struggling with acne for years. She says, "I have a dermatologist, and yes, I've talked to them multiple times about Accutane. I don't take medical advice from strangers on the internet, because sorry, I pay someone with a degree for that." Fair enough. Next up is advertising for teeth whitening. Does something seem wrong about this set of teeth? This facial cyst is being excised. You can see it is filled with a significant amount of dark keratin. Wow. Also, please submit your pimple popping clips to allstarboxoffice@gmail.com for consideration in future weekly reviews. Finally, a word about Restmore, the best natural sleep supplement on the market. I use it every night. So does Adam, actually. So should you. Take a look. We asked, and here is what you had to say about Restmore.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Restmore.
That's right, Restmore. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
Bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Restmore yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Restmore. There's an Amazon link in the description below.